Here we have the all-new 2021 Kia Sorento. This one comes in the S trim level with all-wheel drive. And the color consists of the everlasting silver, and the interior is the black leather. And the powertrain consists of a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As we get to that beautiful front end, we have LED headlamps along with LED daytime running lights. And then down here we have 18-inch aluminum wheels. We have passive keyless entry. There are the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And there is your power driver seat with power lumbar support. Wow. And I'm 6'3", and I'm able to fit in the second row no problem. And the seat in front of me is adjusted for someone of my size as well. So really impressive with this new Sorento. And then here you have your AC vents. And then you have a 12 volt down there as well as a USB charging port. And there's a view of the front from back here. Oh, take a look at this. Huge panoramic sunroof. That is fantastic. That's huge. And of course you have a third row back there for your small children. So they really utilize this space very well. Onto the trunk space. Well, that rear end is nice. And of course you can fold these flat for more space. Just pulling up. Wow, they fold completely flat. And you have all that additional space. Really nice. And I like how you can Velcro them down here as well, so they're not flapping all over the place. That is sweet. And there's your passenger seat there. I love that color. They just did an all-around really good job on this new Sorento so far. And there's that 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. A really nice steering wheel here. And I love the design of it too. But over here you have your radio, AM, FM, XM. And there's your backup camera there. And then you also have Bluetooth audio along with Apple CarPlay. And down here you have your dual zone automatic climate controls. Then you have 3 USB ports here, 2 chargers, and then the middle one is what you can use for your Apple CarPlay. And then you have 3-stage heated seats. And there's your shifter. You just press this button, reverse, neutral, drive, and then you can slap over to shift manually. Oh, and I really love this. So here you can go through your drive modes and you can actually see them light up. And then you have your all-wheel drive lock as well. Really nice. Of course, you can toggle your auto stop, your downhill brake control, pull up your camera on the fly. And then of course you can toggle your parking sensors. And really good storage space as well with a removable tray. And then one more time, that sunroof. Oh, that is awesome. There's a view of the rear seat. A nice sized glove compartment with your owner's manuals. And on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls. You can go through your audio. Then you have your volume and track list here. And there's a look at that gauge cluster where I did not close the trunk all the way. There's your push button start. And finally, here's your key fob with remote start. So next, it's time to go ahead and take this all-new Sorento out on the road for a test drive. So I have the Sorento in eco mode now. And quite impressive so far, just all around the Sorento. I haven't said much just because the traffic is horrible here, like it always is. So I haven't really been able to test everything out, but as an everyday driving car, this is really good. And we're gonna test out the cruise control now, getting on the interstate, along with the lane centering, and see how that does. So not bad pickup in eco mode at all. And the lane centering is very helpful. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review for now. This is the 2021 Kia Sorento S all-wheel drive.